Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today we'll be doing the third challenge prompt for this month, that word being sprint. Now sprinting is probably something I should be doing more in my spare time. Nah, I think I'm just gonna stick to drawing during my spare time. So with this piece, I was actually really struggling on what I wanted to draw, and since it's the Halloween season, I've been watching a bit more of the horror stuff, well, at least more than I normally do, and watching all the stuff, I was inspired to make this piece where a person is running away from the monster or killer person that's chasing them. I thought this angle of him really close up to the front of the page would make it slightly more intense and would really show the feeling that I wanted to get from this drawing. But I am going to be quiet, maybe do a little bit of stretching in case I need to do some sprinting, and I will see you all at the end with the final results. Alright everyone, that is it, our completed piece using the word sprint. Now I think this turned out pretty creepy, but you're gonna have to let me know what you think down below. Now make sure you don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, they're on the back of your brochure, right on the bottom corner there. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one, where I try to do these challenges myself. And if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link's gonna be down in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!